Hey guys, welcome to the coupon count. We are going in Dollar Tree to do our Dollar Tree haul, and we are only getting stuff for my kids' basket, so it's going to be limited. So they got some little mini, these is stock mini bags. See, I didn't see these little bags. That's one right there. Oh, it ain't supposed to be here, because these the socks right here. They got little dollar socks up in here. Okay. Look at the little ornaments. Okay, so they are little ornaments you can get up in here. Those are $1. And what I'm gonna do is I am gonna do my family dollar and do the 15 ornaments and get $5 off. But they do have ornaments in here. They got the little bitty wreath. I showed you these trees before, and now they got the little miniature stuff that go with it. They have nice little stuff you could build little tiny trees with, all of it. And the tree is up front. I believe I showed you that, but I put this big star on that little tree because I like my stuff huge. And more stocking stuffers, little Hershey Kisses packs, Russell Stover's. That candy bag should work on that. That candy coupon should work on those. Andy's, remember Andy's, guys? Somebody opened that, really? Are y'all gonna be trifling? I remember the sprees. The sprees. Oh look, lemon heads. I want a box of those. And there's the now and later, so we'll grab a box of those. So those are new. On the other side they had the sweet tarts, but I grabbed a box of those already. Yeah, see I'm wearing my gloves. Oh wow. They got Cold Stone candy cane, so we're gonna try those most definitely. So my daughter told me, she said, Ma, I see your videos. Can you do me a favor? If you're gonna touch everything, put gloves on. And I think this was my subby, someone that was watching me said the same thing. So now she said, I tell you what, do like this. If you touch it, you bought it. So I went and put some gloves on because I touch everything and I don't need the bag. Okay, so I'm in the big Dollar Tree I usually be in. And this is the Dollar Tree where they have the Intimates at. I brought my sidekick today. I made sure she had on gloves, but she is also getting some stuff out of Dollar Tree. She needs some Intimates, so that's why she came. I need one of these because my husband got the whole front where our garage door is at. Oh my God, it's so full of dirt and oil right there, and everything I put there he literally oils it up. So I'm gonna get those too. Let's go and see what's going on with the Intimates. We're gonna get around this store really quick though. So here's the hauls, guys, right here. Remember, it's got to be 14 count. We have that coupon 2 for $1.25, so we're gonna grab these. Mother just picked up a generic pack. I made her put it back because we either get these for free or we pay little of nothing. Hey look guys, they got the 2.2 for the deodorant. Oh my God. And I did not bring that. I don't know if I had an Old Spice deodorant left or not. So let me see. Do you remember these roll-ons? Okay guys, they got the Gator Mask. These right here, it say adult. This go around your neck and they go up like a scarf. Yeah. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these because my other 2 boys need these. Okay, these is the coupons for the Ricola right here. It say any 2 bags, any means, any size, whatever price. So I have 2 coupons. This one run out $12.7. You got enough time to do this a couple of times. I think I'm gonna do these 2, and I'm gonna put the hauls back because they're $1.25, but we gotta find them. So we got 4 of those and 2 of those Ricola coupons, okay? Okay, for the hauls, guys, this is the coupon for the hauls. It's $1.25 off. That coupon expire on the 12th. 10 count or larger, so these are perfect, okay? I'm gonna grab a Ricola because my mother also, she liked Ricola better than hauls. Hey guys, do you all remember soft lips? I remember when I was young, soft lips used to be big. Now they don't use them no more. They done got them in the dollar stuff. Still do not have any of the chapstick. I got it out of here one time and I guess somebody came and cleaned it out after that, guy. So that's okay, good. I'm glad somebody got it. Okay, we got a 50 cent off a Colgate coupon. Remember, it needs to say travel voyage. And this is the coupon right here for that. Okay guys, now you know we got a Colgate coupon that'll make these 50 cents. But if you need it, buy it. If not, you know we don't pay for that. Also, just to let you know, I'm not gonna grab this Colgate toothbrush because I've been getting them free at Walmart, and I'll be putting a Walmart video up on Thursday. Okay guys, so these are the cookies that I told you, the Keebler coupon. I do have it with me and I'm gonna show it to you. These are working on this, so I'm gonna grab 4 and my mother's gonna grab 4. Okay, so this is the coupon right here. It's 50 cents, so you'll pay 50 cents a box, and these are the boxes. Okay guys, so I told you where I'm at. I'm in the aisle where all the bread and Entenmann's and donuts and stuff is at. So this is mother's bread. I'm gonna grab 2 of these. The problem is I'm out of space at home because of the holiday. So I'm gonna grab 2 of those, and we've been going through bread because the kids on e-learning. You could buy a whole Thanksgiving cake for $1 here. Entenmann's chocolate cake, and you know Entenmann's are good, fresh stuff. Like, look, here is the softy donuts. That's the chocolate fudge cake. I might grab it. I'm gonna grab it. See, I came in here that's why I said I didn't want to come up in here today. But I had to do. Look at that. I know I don't have no room. And here is the stack. If the stacks wasn't free at 50 cents, a quarter piece at Dollar General, I would have grabbed those. But, and they got more. And they sitting on stuff. Look at all of that. Oh, so here we go. We got hot dog buns and stuff now. Last week when I was in here, they didn't have them. Look at that. Oh, that's the artesian buns. I bet these sausage rolls. The good ones from Sara Lee. And then what's that? That's the Sara Lee Delightful Bread. Gloves, awesome. Look, the pita bread. Wow. Okay, thank God. Oh, wow. They got so much stuff. My mother over here contemplating getting and got bread at home. Yeah. And then all the ramen noodles and stuff. So we're about to get ready to check out. Okay, so here's all the armor. Vienna sausage. Look, the bumblebee. Remember bumblebee used to be big? And now they don't eat it. I mean, I don't eat tuna, but it used to be big. But this is bumblebee. I just noticed that it was bumblebee, actually. And all of this good stuff is here. All of it. The Maoish test. Noodles. Oh, okay, guys. So these some refried beans. Beans and franks. I thought they was refried beans. I was going to grab some because I want the kids is having fajitas today. So I got all the ingredients, actually. And I need some coconut milk, and I don't see it. And I got a Goya coupon. So I'm back on this Goya kick again. I think it's just personal with me and Goya, because I can't never find they things like I should be able to find. And look at the spices. Oh, wow. Like, the spices is big. Here's the garlic pepper seasoning. We got ground cloves, parsley flakes, salt-free seasoning. Oh, my God. Cinnamon sugar. I buy real cinnamon, not the sugar. Ground ginger. Now, that is probably good. I love ginger. Italian seasoning. Oh, bacon pieces. Chili powder. Cloves. Chop. You can buy all of your supplies, all of your baking goods right here. You do not need to go anywhere else and buy baking goods. Now, I got hot sauce flowing out my ears, so I'm not gonna buy any hot sauce today, but it is the right ounce, so you can get that, guys. Okay, you saw me last week. I bought it. It was fine. Okay, and so I got a little one. He loves this, but I'm thinking, like, I don't want you to keep taking this. A lot of sodium in it. So he loves to put it on eggs and everything. So that's my little egg guy. I always call him my little egg guy. So and then, you know, they got all their chips. I'm trying not to get no junk. I'm gonna actually put this chocolate cake back. I'm gonna put it back. My mother laughing at me, but I have nowhere to put it at, guys. Seriously, until Thanksgiving is over. She took it. It's fine. not even got. She like, you don't have anywhere to put that at. Oh, okay, guys. So I said I would let you all know about this when I use it. I love it. I used it on eggs, and it was fantastic. So this is a go, okay, for me. But they got videos in here. Pac-Man, Santa's boot camp, 2-night stand. Oh, okay. So Rampage. What's that? A Blu-ray. Hey guys, we are back from Dollar Tree, and I just want to show you all my haul. So the stuff that you see me that I got for couponing was the Fudge cookies, the Keebler cookies. They were 50 cents a piece, and I got 4 boxes. And then the hauls was buy 2 and use $1.25 off coupon, which made them 75 cents for 2. That was my coupon haul. So you got $2.75. Not a big haul, but these right here is 4 in a pack. It's a 4 cookie, 1 little package. Each one of these are all stocking stuffers right here. These are actually going to be stocking stuffers for some people in my family. So let me show you what else I like. These Cold Stone, I haven't tasted those, but I will. They are candy canes. I did not see these last week. The girl said she don't think they were there, because if so, I missed them. And I am a connoisseur of all type of candy canes. Okay, so that was one. Here, look, now and later. Now and later, guys. Oh, and green is my favorite, so you know that was going on. And then lemon heads, and I love lemon heads. My 2 favorite colors right here, green and yellow. You will always see me with something with these 2 colors in. But these are lemon heads, also at the Dollar Tree. Now, my great find that I wanted, look at those fabric neck gators. I got the black ones because I got them for my little ones. And they were $1. These are the ones that you pull up. You can either pull them up all these different ways, and if they don't fit, all I'm gonna do is take a rubber band and put them in the back of it and then tuck it in. That's how I saw this lady with hers in. Or you could take it and just pull it into a knot and tie it tightly so it'll fit around their neck. But I grabbed 2 of these, but I think I'm gonna go back, because these are great stocking stuffers also. So this is my new find, and this is my new find for Dollar Tree. And also, don't forget, I bought these to go in front of my garage door to enter into my house, because it's leaving so much dirt and mud on my floors. I grabbed 2 of these because I also cut them in half, and I put them where my cats eat at sometimes if I don't use those other little rugs you see me buy. So thanks, guys, for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.